Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. And basically we have a few options how to enable it. We can use an application or we can use a gesture. So let's get started with an application. You just open it, click on your earbuds here, and at the top right here we have ambient sound control. So transparency we have at the middle. You just tap on it and you enable it. But as I said previously, we also can use a gesture, and to enable it you need to press and hold at the touch area on your left earbud. The touch area located right here. We have this circle. This actually a touch area. So you press and hold, and firstly you will enable ANC. Here we go, and after that you need to press and hold again to swap to transparency mode. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!